Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com, and this is Eggnog Cheesecake Dip. Now I know eggnog can be kind of polarizing. People seem to love it or hate it, but if you are an eggnog lover, then you gotta try this eggnog cheesecake dip. Put a bowl of this out at your next holiday gathering and your eggnog lovers are gonna eat it up. Now one of the fun things we're doing with this today is we're gonna be cold smoking cream cheese, and that's where we're gonna get started. Now we're doing our cold smoking on the Yoder Smokers YS640S pellet grill today, and we're gonna be utilizing this great little tool. I've had this thing for a long time. This is an amazing tube smoker, so you just fill this with pellets, lay it on the grate, light the flame from the end, and it slowly burns back and adds smoke to the chamber. Now the cool thing about the Yoder is we can actually turn the fans on to push that smoke through the chamber without producing any heat. So that's how we're gonna do our cold smoking. So I'm just gonna grab some pellets out of the hopper to fill our tube, working with pecan pellets today. So we'll put this right here on the left side because that air is moving from left to right. That way that smoke's gonna blow right over the cream cheese. We give that about 30 seconds to make sure the pellets are definitely lit, and then blow it out. Power that up. The fans are gonna start pumping air through, but we don't hit start. That way there won't be any additional heat. Now we're gonna take our cold cream cheese and just place it right on this frog mat. This is just a silicone coated thread to keep it from getting messy on the grates. But we're about 2 hours in here. You can see it's taken on just a little bit of color. I really don't want to go any further for this recipe, although you could smoke your cream cheese longer if you like, but the longer you smoke, the more smoke flavor you get. Now let's mix together our dip. So we're going to start with the cream cheese. We want it at room temperature. We're going to add 6 tablespoons of powdered sugar and a 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. So once we've whisked out pretty much all of those lumps, we're gonna go ahead and add our eggnog. So 1/4 cup of eggnog. Whisk that in. So now we've kind of got our flavor base to our eggnog cheesecake. We're gonna whisk this until it's smooth once again. And we're gonna switch from the whisk to a spatula so we can gently fold in a cup of Cool Whip. So we're gonna go gentle here. The reason why we're switching to a spatula is because we don't want to completely deflate the creaminess of that Cool Whip. Now Cool Whip's pretty stable. If you're using whipped cream, this is gonna be much more important. But we're just gonna essentially gently fold this until all those streaks disappear. All right, let's get it all dished up and ready for the party. So we're gonna top this off with some ginger snap cookie crumbs. Also gonna do just a little sprinkle of smoked turbinado sugar on top. Nice crunch and smokiness. And just load up your plate with your favorite Christmas cookies, ginger snaps, graham crackers, whatever you feel like dipping in there. All right, let's get a taste. Getting the eggnog, but it's not overpowering. Also getting just a subtle smokiness out of that cream cheese. And you definitely got that sweetened cream cheese kind of cheesecake kind of flavor going to it. It's really nice. The texture is probably the coolest thing. Folding in that Cool Whip, you know, you add a lot of airiness to it. Really fun dip. We don't do sweets a lot on this channel, so you know if I'm bringing you this one, you probably ought to try it out. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out atbbq.com for all the products featured in today's video. If you enjoy the recipe, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, or there's anything you want to see me cook, let me know in the comment section down below, and let's be good to one another. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to atbbq.com/thesauce. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.